Yeah, those are Daddy's panties.
Why?
Because that's what Daddy wears.
What sock?
Yep, and a sock.
Daddy's sock.
That's Daddy's sock.
Why? A picture.
Mm-hmm.
Picture.
Yes, I'm taking your video.
Why?
Because I want to see you doing the laundry.
Mine.
Yep, those are Penny's.
Why?
No, because those are Penny's pajamas.
Daddy's shirt.
Yeah, Daddy's shirt.
Why?
Because that's what Daddy likes to wear.
It was shirt.
Mm-hmm. That's Daddy's dirty sock. We gotta wash it. Can we wash Daddy's dirty sock? That's Mommy's shirt. Yeah, it's icky. We gotta wash it. Yeah, can you put it in the washer? Good job. Okay, now close the lid. You ready? Close the lid.
And climb.
Yeah, and you climb.
And climb.
Yeah, and you climb. And you're gonna start it.
Thumb.
Yes, use your thumb. And you start it. Good job! All done?
Yeah.
Yeah, all done. Okay, say bye-bye.